XRP, we start with 15-minute chart. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis, when the price was exactly here, I mentioned how we can look for buy. As what I explained, the price almost near to this low, we put our entry above here, and this is what we get. Okay, this is the entry. I explained my last analysis how we can look for trade. All right. Anyway, we get this move, and whoever get the trade book some profit. And every time I mention it, having entry above the top can be an option, but it depends on the strategy the traders they're using. They should know how to manage it. If it doesn't move in their direction, okay, if the price tag it didn't move within a few hours, they should know what to do. Okay, anyway, we have been looking for buy from here, and this is what we get. And if we move to higher time frame, if we move to 1 hour chart, I explained my last analysis. We mentioned after the breakout of 1.97, we are looking for 2.37, the price tag. We see the consolidate there. Then we get the next move, the price we mentioned, we wanted to see the price tag 2.9 and almost the price tag 2.88. All right, 2.88, almost near to what we expected. And now we want to see whether within the next few hours we will see the breakout of 2.9, because with the breakout of 2.9 then we're looking for all-time high, or we can or we may, I mean, whether we see the breakout of 2.9 or the price can I mean, we see the consolidation, the correction here. Mostly we're waiting to see the breakout of 2.9, and then we can look for all-time high. And one thing I need to highlight is that if we refer to coin market cap, all right, now we see where's the position of the XRP. Okay, now we see the position is back to position 3, because since last 1 or 2 days it was after, I mean, so it was at this position after the Solana. And now is overtake by, it takes over the USDT Tether. Now we is remain, I mean, is at the third position, because since 2018 every times we look at the coin market cap, the first was a Bitcoin, Ethereum, then the third position was XRP or Tether. These two, I mean, they replace each other. Okay, but after we get the case for the SEC against the XRP, this is after that XRP lost the third position and a fourth position for quite a long time. Now it back to where it was, third. Then now we are expecting for continuation. Okay, because last time, because of the case of the SEC, the price of the XRP it couldn't break the all-time high. But this time, if the price break all-time high, then we're looking somewhere around 6 to 8. And mostly I mentioned the best is 5.4 and 6. This is what I'm looking for. Even we can expect more than that. Okay. Then we just go through the charts. We want to see what we have been looking for. We start with higher time frame. Based on monthly chart, we mentioned we wanted to see the breakout of the 1.97. Now we're looking at the all-time high, and this is the target we explained. Okay, the only thing is, yes, is XRP this year as what we expected. We see, I mean, we get this sharp move as what we have been looking for, and what I was explaining and what we expected. The only thing is, from now, as long as the price is below the all-time high, all right, from now, and as long as the price is below all-time high, if we want to take any trade, we should know how to manage it. Okay, first we're looking for continuation, we're looking for to see the breakout of the all-time high, but this is the market. We have seen this kind of the drop as a sharp many times, especially in 2018 before the price break the all-time high. Okay, that means there is a possibility for the short term the price drop quite sharply before we see the continuation. That's why as long as the price is below all-time high, at least if you want to look for trade, we should know, if it doesn't move in our direction, we should know how to manage it. Okay, I don't want to say the price is going to reverse as the price is going to drop. We are looking for continuation, at least, but we can expect to see the sharp drop. Okay, the price sometimes can drop quite a lot because this is the market, and this is what I mean. What I want to say is that as long as the price is below all-time high, somewhere below 3.3 at this point from the, I mean, at this price until the price break all-time high, we should protect our trades, and especially the trades we get at this point at the all-time high. And if we move to if based on monthly chart we don't see any information relative to the divergence, okay, will even if we see the breakout of the all-time high, we will not expect the divergence. And if we move to weekly chart, similar explanation. And the only thing is how to look for trade. That means we have to get the trade set up. And if I move to daily chart, we don't see anything to discuss. We're looking for continuation. And as I mentioned, either we get a drop sharply or we get a deep correction, and hopefully that deep correction will be after the breakout of the all-time high. Okay, because the market have to correct itself. And mostly we're expecting to get that correction after the breakout of the all-time high. And even if we move to forward chart, similar explanation. There is no trade setup based on higher time frame. We don't see the divergence. Then we have to look for trade either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, even 5 minutes. And if we move to 1 hour chart, I don't see anything to discuss because we're looking for continuation. If we move to 15 minute, nothing. We don't need to care about this chart. I mean the indicators. The only thing is how to look for trade. All right. Now, if anyone can take the risk, maybe from here we can look for buy. Okay. But where is the stop loss? Either I prefer to be somewhere below this, but it start to move. At this point, it's too late to say it's the trade setup. Okay. And whoever get the trade for buy from here as a flag, at least put some their stop loss somewhere below here or somewhere above this one. Okay, then if we want to look for buy, we have to look for the flag. And at this point I want to see the breakout of 2.9. And again, right now I don't see any trade setup. Even if this was a trade setup, we don't have it right now. I mean, the price almost already passed. And at this point, if we want to look for buy, as I mentioned, we have to look for flag. I don't see anything else to discuss because even if we move to a 1 hour chart, this is the only correction we get unless the price tag and drop and start to give us a deeper correction, at least similar to what we had here. Okay, then how to look for trade flags. And even if we move to 5 minutes, all right, I don't see any trade setup unless we see the next drop. Then yes, we can put our entry above here. Okay, it's too early to talk about that because we don't know what will happen later. The only thing is we have to wait and get the next trade set up. The only things I wanted to highlight, where is the position of the XRP on coin market cap? The third, this is the good news. That means we are looking for continuation. But beside that, I mentioned we can expect to see the sharp drop. This is the market. As long as the bill, it doesn't, the sharp drop, it even doesn't mean the reversal. Okay, it have the sometimes the price have to correct itself for continuation. Okay, then I don't see anything to discuss. The only thing is I'm looking for the breakout of the 2.9. From there we can look for the all-time high, and hopefully we see the breakout of the all-time high. And based on daily chart, after the breakout of the all-time high, we can look for 4.2 following by 5.4. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.